My dear species fellows, today we will try to understand the concept of percentage. Percentage is the important part of the ability portion, and ability is fundamental portion of PPSC, FPSC, GAT and one paper. It is not only important for these exams, it's also important to understand the general math. Dear species fellows, first we will try to understand the concept of percentage. Percentage is a number in each 100. I will try to make it understandable by giving an example. For example, if I am running a company and the monthly income of my company is 5 lakh rupees, a dollar, a pound, I am saying that I will pay 10% of this number to worker that are working in my company. So what will be the number of this 10 number? To find out 10% of 5 lakh, first we have to find 1% of 5 lakh. So 1% of 5 lakh will be, right, 5 lakh divide with 100, because percentage is a number in each 100. 20 cancel with 20. The 1% will be 5,000. So now it is easy to proceed to our next step, that is to find out 10% of 5 lakh. 1% is 5,000. So 10% of 5 lakh will be, you will multiply 5,000 with 10. That will be 50,000. So if the monthly earning of my company is 5 lakh, I will pay 50,000 to the worker. This is the concept of percentage. I think it was easy. So our main question is, when 60 is subtracted from 60%, try to understand, aspirants. We are subtracting 60 from 60%. 60% subtract 60 of number of, so 60 of number, resultant number is 60. Okay, this thing come from our statement. 60 is subtracted from 60%, resultant number is 60. So we have to find the number of 60%, the number of this whole scenario. When we remove this percent, then we will divide it with 100. 60 over 100, percentage symbol sign removed, minus 60 equal to 60. Unknown number, the number we have to find, we will say unknown number. We don't know about that number. You can say the unknown number may be X, may be Y, may be Z, whatsoever alphabet you choose. So we will multiply this number with that. My dear species fellow, now try to understand it. X 60 over 100. If 60 is subtracting from that, then from other side of the equal sign it will be added with 60. Okay, 60 plus 60 will be 120. 60x, this 100 is dividing here. When we move it from opposite side of this equal sign, it will obviously multiply with this number 120 100. Here x 120 100 divided by 60. Why divided by 60? Because 60 is multiplying here. It will perform opposite function when we move this from another side of the equal sign. 1 0 cancel with 1 0. Then what will be 6 6 2 12. X will be 200 and 200 is our answer. 200 is our answer. 60% of 200 is, we have to find 60% of 200. It is our extra effort to understand the whole concept. The journal statement is concluded here. We are required to find the number. The number is 200. Now we are putting extra effort to find out 60% of 200. Our first step will be, we have to find 1% of 200. So 1% of 200 will be is 2. 1% of 200 is 2. 60% of 200, 2 are 60, 120. When the statement said subtract 60 from 60%, it means statement saying that subtract 60 from 120 and it resultant number will be 60. Now, to make it 100% clear, to reduce every possibility difficulty from this statement, 60% of 200 is 120 minus 60. Statement is saying that we subtract 60 from 60% and 60% is 120. That is equal to 60. When we subtract 60 from 120, 60 will be our answer. The whole thing is now 100% clear. Dear CPCs fellows, it was very easy to understand. That was the percentage concept, and we concluded and this statement, we solved this. It was very easy, and we will come back with another tricky question of percentage. Thank you very much. If you understand, if you think the way of teaching is understandable and easy, please like, subscribe and share Aspirant Drives. Thank you very much.